It's Heather with Ideas to Come, and I actually did another video and we crafted. I bet you guys didn't know that. And we made a few things. But I'm having problems with my camera and I'm like, what's going on? And so I'm trying a new SD card and that seems to be helping. But I had this excellent idea. I had this paper that I had found in my stash, and now I won't be able to find it. And I'm sorry if my son, you hear my son yelling. I found this paper, and it's really cool paper. It's Prima. It's art paper, and I can't find it online anywhere. And I thought that is so cool. So I was like, oh, I love that stuff. So I tried an experiment, and I actually put some fabric on this cardstock, and I'll glue it down better. It's really super thin cardstock. I don't even remember where I got this. I've been trying to figure out where I found this. And I just Mod Podged it on there. But I didn't Mod Podge the top because I didn't want it to be like that glossy, crackly looking texture that Mod Podge does when you put it on. So it's just like the fabric on paper. And I thought that would make a good cover for something, or in a journal or Smashbook or whatever. So I was excited about that. And then I wanted to share with you guys, and I wanted to talk to you about, there's so many different avenues where to go. There's junk journaling, and maybe I should zoom you guys out a little bit, not in, out. There's junk journaling, there's bullet journals, there's glue books, there's all kinds of different things. This is my smash book, and I got this a long time ago from my friend Elena. She has a YouTube channel on here, and she actually sent me this, and I've done a few pages, this book, and she filled out this portion for me. I love this. So I'm going to start doing this again. I thought I would share that with you guys. And on this one, it's kind of like what people consider a glue book, where you can just glue things in. And you can journal as well on here. And it has different types of pages. I have another one, pink one, that I like too as well. And I've made planners and smash books. I have one video of how to make a smash book on my channel. And so, and you know, I have my planner. I just bought a new cover for my planner. But I have my planner. I love my planner. So maybe we'll do a little bit of that. And I do have the We Are Memory Keepers punch in the shop for your planners. I wanted to share this with you too. I have one right here. So I have one of these. I have these in the shop. The punch boards. These are awesome. I love these because you can do all different. Use it for all different kinds. And I showed this long time ago. This is what I keep my smash book in, and I like it because it matches my smash book. It matches my smash book, and I keep my smash book in here, and I have all my stickers and my markers and my stamps and all kinds of stuff in here. And all this is one of those traveler bags that you buy at Walmart. And I just thought it was so pretty and so cool, and I can keep all my stuff in there. Normally, when you see them in Walmart, they'll have the little bottles in here for shampoo and conditioner and all that. But I like to keep mine in there, so I have all my stuff with me. I can just grab it and go. So I love that. And I wanted to share that with you because I'm thinking about doing some of that. And I'm going to probably chop up this video a little bit and do, but today, I was so excited. Today we went garage selling and thrift storing. It was was warm today, so people were actually doing garage sales today. So we went out and found a few. And this lady that owned an antique shop had some beautiful, beautiful things. And so I bought this box of cards, and I don't know if you can see it, but it's so shiny. It's so gorgeous. And these are old. Watch, I'll show you look at the envelopes are yellow. They're so old. Oops, so old. I'm trying to keep them like that because look at how pretty. Because I'm going to put this set in the shop. I want to keep these so bad. These would make great additions to a journal. Either to put on a page or to put in a tuck spot. So gorgeous. So pretty. They're antique. They're from, but I looked at the date on them. They are, I forgot, but they're old. What's the date? I thought I saw the date on here, on the box or something. Oh, she wrote it on here. These are 1970s. 1970s. So I was like, oh, I have to have those. And she has the description on her piece that, here. So, oh, I just love that. Isn't that pretty? Oh, that's so pretty. So pretty. And I know when I lift things up like that, you guys can't see it as well. I need to zoom in. But there's that. And I'm going to put that in the shop. And, I love those. Oh, and I'm going to be sharing with you some of more Rosa's albums. I never put them in the shop. They're on my website. But I haven't really been taking care of my website, so it's kind of wacky there. And where are those other things that I got? Oh, and I'm gonna include some videos from the thrift store. But we also went to an estate sale, and I love the paper that this is on. This is so awesome. I may list this in the shop. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I will or not. I may or may not, but that is so cool. And this is funny. I bought some music books. Look at how old this is. This is yellow. It's so old. Look at that. That's so awesome. So I might make a kit to where you get different things. And this is so cool. I picked this up because I thought this was a music book. It's not a music book. It's a yearbook. Old yearbook. Isn't that cool? That's so cool. I love it. And I think I didn't pay very much for it. Oh, look. Homecoming, October 26th. What year is this? Does it? Oh, 47. No, that can't be right. That's not the date. I don't know if they did it that way. I haven't even had a chance to look at. Oh, here's the published. This is published. Sorry if you can hear my son yelling. He's playing a game. It doesn't say when it was published. What year is it? It should say a year. Oh yeah, no. It's respect to admiration, appreciation that we dedicate the 1947 edition. Yes, this is from 1947. Oh my God. That's crazy. Look at that. Isn't that cool? And I thought this would make fun pages for a junk journal or smash book. Look at that. This is so cool. And they're not glossy. The pages are not glossy whatsoever. So I picked those up by mistake thinking they were music books. And I'm glad I did anyways because I just love them. We got so many cool things. We went to another thrift store and I saw these. And I think there was 4 of them. And I didn't even look at it really. I just saw the pictures of the birds. And I'm like, oh, I gotta have that. That would make a good junk journal or smash book or glue book or whatever you like to do. Isn't that pretty? And I didn't even realize these are new calendars. These aren't even old. These are new. These are current, I should say. But that's okay. And I found thought this was pretty neat. And I thought this would be nice too. I thought, oh, the pretty flowers that it has in it. And then it has all these pages. Look at that. With the months on them. Look at that. Isn't that cool? I love this. So this will be broken down too. All these are going to be broken down. But so I don't know. So you guys tell me what you like to do. You like to do junk journals, planners, smash books. I noticed that smash books aren't as quite as popular as say junk journals and glue books. So I'm wondering why, because they're really fun and you can put just about anything in them. Same difference, but anyways, if you have a thought on that, please let me know. So I'll kind of splice in some of the thrift store in here, and it's funny, some of it's just of the floor, so I'm gonna have to figure that one out. But anyways, so I will be back so we can do some crafting together, and thanks for stopping by. Bye. Bye for now. We are going in the thrift store, and hopefully nobody will tell me I can't video in here. We got record albums, CDs. It's cardboard. Oh, that's cool. $8. Games. Cool. National Geographic magazines. Cool. Huh. Okay, we're going into another one. Look at this. Yeah, I really do. We need to start collecting. We are. Look at these signs. Those are cool. Ah, that table is beautiful. It's sold. Not surprised.
in a red meat weed. All but who
I bet you. Oh, that's awesome. Toy heaven right here.